She feel mad disrespected, kid. Mad disrespected, kid. Right?
She done got her motherfucking ass up like she's supposed to, cause you're a guest.
Get it from the back, make sure you dribble. Put it in your mouth, maybe taste it just a little. I'm your Twinkie, baby, put your cream in the middle. Queen got that fire, baby, I'ma make it sizzle. She gon' bounce, biggity bounce, like I know your chick.
Baby girl, drop it down to a full split.
Bring a whole damn crowd when you do the shit.
What up, everybody? I am your boy, King Richard, a.k.a. the God of Rap, from Creative Minds Entertainment. That's KME. If you don't know, I bet you know right now, mother. Got a special one today, right? It's your boy Akademiks. I know y'all been seeing Akademiks all over the news, right? Doing the motherfucking thing. Or is he? Most motherfuckers will say he doing too much. Let's see if he doing too much.
Asking you a question, you sound like... Hold on. Relax, Shirley. Your man ain't here. And he couldn't afford to get in this building, okay? Let me tell you this. I'm asking you, who said disrespectful?
It's mad disrespectful, boy, you bro. You
shut the fuck
disrespectful.
up. Stop. Yo, my nigga done fucked you, nigga, like in the Airbnb. Get the fuck on out.
Actually, you should know to know he's fucking
Shorty, stop playing. Get over here and stop playing.
You just like to disrespect a woman like that.
Wow. You see how she got up? Like,
damn, I gotta get up? Oh, hell no.
She feel mad disrespected, kid. Mad disrespected, kid. Right? She done got her motherfucking ass up like she's supposed to, because you're a guest. Right? But Ak been going wild, right? That nigga's feeling himself for real. Cocky on a motherfucking 1,000 meters, goddammit.
I'm talking facts, nigga. I'm talking facts, nigga.
Just lame niggas.
I'm talking facts, nigga.
You not, nigga.
Let somebody say something. I'm talking facts, nigga.
Happy, nigga. You want happy?
Nigga, my boy fucked you the Airbnb that I rented, nigga. That I paid, nigga. That I paid the whole money. Don't come over here talking that shit. All that cap you been doing on all motherfucking Fresh and Fit. Big Ak is here now.
Oh, yeah.
You heard that, boy? That boy said,
all that capping you been doing, Big Ak is here now.
That boy done went from DJ Akademiks to Big Ak. Obviously, the money is flowing. Because niggas be talking mad shit when that money is flowing, right? But whose fault is this? Whose fault is this that this seemingly lame? Once again, niggas don't get here alone. I know we like to say niggas get here by themselves and it's all on the man to check his ego and this, that, and the other. Listen, let me tell you a quick little thing. Times where I was acting like Future, my dick never was dry. It wasn't until I was acting like a Russell Wilson that my dick was dry. So what you think niggas gonna do? Y'all brought this on yourself. Yeah.